Something I learned about my future industry. Well, I learned a few things. The one thing that stands out in my mind are the different possibilities I can use my skill for. Typically, when you think of computer animation, you think of movies and cartoons. But computer animation can be used to make models for buildings, roller coasters. You can make animations that can be used for educational learning tools, like 3D models of the human body, or even how the inner circulatory system works, which is something we can't actually see ourselves. Honestly, this course did not help me to confirm my decision to pursue my computer animation degree. I decided that a while ago. This was just a class that I had to take in order to make that happen, so it had no effect on my decision to do it or not do it. The networking assignment was very helpful. It made me go ahead and set up a social network site, which is something I'm going to actually need further down the road. It made me go ahead and look at how I do social networking as well as professional networking in the future and what I'm actually doing now. For example, everything I just did over the weekend where I was helping out on a film crew making a music video. But most of all, I went ahead and I set up that whole LinkedIn account. That way I can network with professionals in my industry as well as outside of my industry, because of course computer animation has all the different applications. So that one was actually very helpful. Honestly, if you were to add anything to this course, it would be better material. Aside from lectures for the class, it mostly consisted of blindly Googling to find information for assignments. Also, some of the things that were set as discussions should have actually been set as assignments, and the assignment should have been set as a discussion. For example, in week 3, we were supposed to do our initial discussion post on networking, which was like a 5-paragraph discussion post. But our actual assignment was to make a mission statement, where we drew a picture, put a silly statement saying, I am going to do great at this. It seemed like it was something that could have been better fit for a discussion versus an actual assignment. What is something I did not find useful that could be removed from this class? Honestly, the mission statement assignment, that was something I felt could have been omitted from the lesson plan. Though it does serve as a motivational piece for individuals to keep going and doing the good work, it really doesn't have any place in regards to learning about industry and all the technical aspects that I felt this class was going to be about. Overall, this class, it taught me things I needed to know about my industry, and I'm glad I took it. And I look forward to going into using the information I learned here further down in my program.